Everybody, welcome back to another video about AMP coin, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction of AMP coin. What's the price changes occur in the AMP coin? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about AMP coin. Guys, the current live price of AMP coin in the market is 0.052906 USD dollar. That is the live and latest price of AMP coin. And furthermore, guys, if you talk about the price changes occurred in the AMP coin, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, price changes occur in this AMP coin is completely going wrong. The price will repeatedly decrease, guys. So guys, what should we do in a right now situation? You already know that we are completely in the loss, because you can see if the changes is a negative, that's mean that you are in the loss. That's clear for everybody. But now you know what, it is a bad time. September is a bad month for all of you, because the Cardano price also falls down in September. XRP like that, Shiba Inu like Dogecoin like Bitcoin, these all coin in nowadays is completely falls down. Anyways guys, AMP coin is also like that. You can see here, I mean from a 22 August, just look here, from a 22 August the falls of AMP starts, and still guys the AMP coin price decrease, I mean falls down. Negative 11.83% the price decrease in the last 1 month, and 0.071801 USD dollar. That is the currently live and latest price of a AMP coin. Anyways guys, what you think about AMP coin future? Is the AMP coin future bright or not? Tell me in the comment box, guys. And you know what, on the basis of currently live and latest update, I recommend for all of you to please hold. I know this time in the right now situation the price changes is negative, but very soon the price changes will become positive. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.